All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I am testing out the Z Fold 2 as I sit it down gracefully on the tripod. I'm testing out the Z Fold 2 5G for video, and I want to always do a vlog like this for you guys. So what I'm going to attempt to do is keep rolling, at least for this first part of this video, because I want to be able to switch to the rear in one shot and get it adjusted and everything so you can actually see it. So here's the thing. Samsung did some great improvements with this camera. Just so you know, as I look in the viewfinder here, it looks very sharp to me. And there's only one window going, and it is over there. And I think that's what the TV's over there, and you know, things are just regular day. I just muted the TV, no special LEDs or anything. I could turn on this light that I always have on, but I thought, you know what, let's do natural. I like the little shade that I can kind of see there, but Samsung, comparing this Fold's cameras to the previous year's Fold cameras, these have greatly improved. I mean, they have done a fantastic job. The one cameras that were really bad was the external display and the internal display. The rear camera on the other Fold was actually pretty good to me. It was decent. But the internal camera for the Fold, it was garbage. And I mean, it was really bad. Go back and check out my footage for those cameras. It was horrible. But with this camera, these cameras on here, this camera has one in the inside, one on the outside, and 3 on the rear. All of them actually are really good. So this is the front camera at the moment. And let's switch to the rear. All right, let me get my camera adjusted up a little bit here. Hopefully I'm within frame. And you'll see much better quality from the rear camera. You should see way better footage. And what it's going to come across is that it's darker and deeper and more full in colors. It almost makes the front camera look washed out, but the front camera is actually really good for vlogs, depending on the lighting that you're actually using. So these rear cameras are greatly improved over the previous year's cameras. I mean, all of these cameras are better than the previous year's cameras, but just shooting a quick vlog like this, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. And I didn't really know what I was going to do or how I was going to do the camera review. But I always do the camera reviews by editing them. This will all be, I'm not going to change the footage, but I'm going to put it all together on the device. I think that's great because this big canvas will allow me to do so when folded open. PowerDirector Pro, you should edit with that on your phones. No sponsorship, just saying. I think that's the best editing software right now for phones, Android. So, I just really like the quality that is coming from these particular cameras. Now, the real test is the internal camera. This internal camera that was on this device previous year was straight horrible. It was foggy, blurry, quality was bad. But this camera on this device, when you open it up and get that big old camera, big screen, it's actually really good. So let's take a look at that. Now, here is the internals camera. When you have it folded open, oh, folks, I think this is just great footage. I'm looking at the viewfinder because I was just in awe the first time I saw this footage coming from here, and I was like, this can't be the same. This is fantastic footage, man. This is really good quality footage for a vlog. Now, the only thing is, to shoot like this, you're gonna need some kind of kickstand or something like that. And well, Samsung probably will have you covered because they can actually, with that kickstand Kevlar case, you can put the kickstand out. I'm pretty sure there will be more cases with kickstands and things like that. Or you can use a tablet holder. I have one for recording videos. I have a little clamp that's for tablets for recording videos. And I just gotta say, I'm super impressed with these cameras, like really good. So let's take some photos and then we'll come back and we'll vlog it out.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
All right, so right now I'm shooting with it open, and I have like the little viewfinder turned on. You can turn on the external display. So if you're recording someone with the device open, they can see themselves, so they can see what you see. So ultimately, that is just another great feature that is available on this device. I mean, it's so nice to be able to do something like this. And if I wanted to use the rear cameras for a vlog and see that I'm in view, like the first part of the video, I did the switch and I kept it closed and used the rear cameras. But with this part of the video, I have it open and I have it on that mount that I told you about for tablets. It fits this device perfectly fine. So that's something that you should take note of. Grab one of these if you want to. They're very cheap. You can find them for under 10 bucks now. But I have it open and I have it set to the viewfinder for myself for the rear camera. I think that's beautiful. So I can get very high quality vlogs. As I look down here at the viewfinder, it looks fantastic. Let me adjust down a little bit here. And you know, that's how it could be. You can see yourself in the vlog with the rear camera, and that is important. That is extremely important. So overall, I give these cameras a really high score. I don't have like a scale that I'm going to use, but this is a huge improvement over the previous generation's cameras for the Fold from Samsung. I mean, that again, this is all on the device, no microphones, no nothing, just all from the device. And it's extremely impressive to see that they could do this type of camera work on this device, especially the way they did it last year. Again, I can't stress enough, I didn't like them. Now, comparing these cameras to other devices, do they hold up? Oh yeah, they do. These cameras can do pretty much everything any other camera on the smartphone world can do. While they might not be the best for photos or the best for video in your eyes, they're definitely good enough. Now, are they $2,000 good? You know my saying? Absolutely not. These cameras are not $2,000 cameras. That belongs to an actual mirrorless camera or DSLR. But for what it is, in your pocket, you have fantastic quality, no special lighting, no microphones, no nothing. Hook it up, get your vlog on, edit, create. This is another, if anything, Samsung advertises the Note 20 Plus or the Note 10 Plus as a creator's phone, and I'm pretty sure they would probably say the same thing about the 20. But you know, this is a creator's phone in my opinion because of things like this. I can get high quality footage from the rear camera on a vlog and still see myself with the viewfinder. That is just beast mode, boss up. I really like it. So what do you guys think about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G? Whew, it's a mouthful. How do you think the cameras did in this particular setting? Again, I went outside yesterday, took a couple shots. You saw how they looked. Decent, really nice. Internally, the camera does really good in these dim settings like this. But that's just what I think. I don't think they're the best set of cameras, but they're far from the worst. These are very capable cameras. What do you guys think? It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.